You have rich parents. This is probably what most people think when I posted the video that went pretty viral yesterday. But actually, turns out no, my parents are definitely not rich. I can make a video with my mom if you guys want. But I support myself when traveling, right? I do juggling shows. I perform juggling shows mainly for company events. That's what I do for a living. And through this, I know like the juggling community worldwide. So I almost never pay for a hotel. Like right now, I'm staying with jugglers. I just believe that there's more to life than being stuck in the same location for your entire work life. If you want to see more of my juggling content, then follow me on Instagram. I'm about to hit 20,000 followers. Yeah, I'm really small there. So go and support me. That would be amazing. And yeah, I'm a juggling show performer. That's what I do for a living. I don't have rich parents, guys. Really. And if you guys still don't believe me, that's my bank account right now. It's not a joke. No joke, guys. This is like my main bank account that I use for traveling. Help me. And yeah, I know I'm super sunburned right now. I was just out for like 5 hours and I'm completely sunburned.